episode here. As my mom says, there's always something to do. It doesn't matter how many things you check off your list keeps growing. So the EzGo has been giving us some trouble. You really have to just sit there and mess with the choke to keep it going, and it has hardly any power. One guy on the forum said to check our reed valve, and we did notice when we first got it, after we got it running and everything, that right down here, where I guess one of the gaskets goes, it was a little puff of gas coming out of there almost every time it was spin around. So we're going to replace that real quick, and then I'll probably clean the carburetor again. Probably wouldn't hurt to clean that here all the time, as dirty as the sand and stuff is. So hopefully that'll help it run. If not, then it may be time to rebuild it. You know, this is what, 89, I think this is the year for this one. So still in pretty good shape. It runs and all of that. So I'm just going to change those out. Basically it's just, you know, the 2 bolts on the carburetor. Sorry. So it's just the 2 bolts on the carburetor, and then there's 4 bolts on here. There's 2 gaskets. I got it on eBay for $7 for both of them. So, and that was with shipping and everything. But basically there's one behind the plate and one in front of the plate. And I forgot to check to see if there's an upside down and a right side up, but I'm just going to assume the dirtier side was down. So I'll put it in there like that, but there's a gasket that goes on the back and a gasket that goes on the front. So they just come in the mail. And like I said, there's 2 of them. 2 of them right here. Basically just, and one goes in front, one goes in the back. Yeah, this was a pretty good deal. We got it for $500. Only thing we've done was the carburetor and a new fuel pump on it, and then now these valve, or these 2 gaskets. Guess can't complain too much about that. I do seem to like the gas when you just hop in and go. You don't have to worry about charging it or anything like that. Okay. We'll test it out before I clean out the carburetor, just to see if that helped any. Still have to choke it, so carburetor clean next. Also, if you've never used this stuff, probably 90% of the lawnmowers that we buy for junk, we can use this and it tunes it up. It really does work. It may be not as good as Seafoam, but I like using this stuff. You just spray it right into the spark plug, let it sit for a while, and then let it run. I'm going to spray this in the in this one just while I'm cleaning the carburetor, just for something else to do. Hopefully between all of it, we'll have this thing running great. But you just spray it in here and let it sit, so that's what I'm going to do while I'm cleaning the carburetor. Okay, just turn it over a couple times to get it circulated around in there, and then you let it sit. And we'll see, because it usually smokes quite a bit when you start up with this lawnmower tuner stuff. Okay, well, I'm going to put it down on the ground and see if it'll run good like that when the tires are on the ground. Okay, I guess I'll call that fixed. Well, I told myself I wasn't going to paint it until I got it running good. So now I'm going to paint it. I think I'm going to do Shrek green because that's what I like. I may end up painting it the baby blue, but we'll see. That's to come later on in the summer. Still got some other stuff to work on. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.